Hack number 12. If you drive a car, there's one cheap little can that can quietly save you thousands of dollars without you even noticing, until the day it does. And no, this isn't about squeaky doors or sticky bolts. This is about stopping the kind of hidden damage that mechanics love because it keeps your wallet wide open and your car stuck in their shop. This can is WD-40. And if you think you already know what it can do, trust me, you don't, because once you see what this thing can actually fix, prevent, or protect, you're gonna wonder why nobody told you sooner. And a couple of these tricks, yeah, mechanics would absolutely prefer you never learn them. Let's start with the one hack that has saved more stuck, seized, or dead forever parts than anything else people spray on their cars. Hack number 11. When a bolt refuses to move, it's not tight. It's bonded together by rust, moisture, and pressure. People strip them, break tools, even snap the bolt clean off the car, and then the repair becomes a nightmare. But WD-40 doesn't just lubricate. It creeps into microscopic gaps, dissolves rust from the inside, and breaks the grip that's welding the bolt in place. Suddenly, it turns smoothly, like it was never stuck at all. No broken parts, no mechanic bill, just one smart spray. Hack number 10. Nothing makes your car sound older and more defeated than a screaming door hinge. That squeak isn't just annoying, it's metal shaving itself down every time the door moves. One short burst of WD-40 kills the squeak instantly and coats the hinge with a protective layer that stops rust before it starts. 2 seconds now saves you a full hinge replacement later. Hack number 9. There's a silent killer under your hood, battery corrosion. That white or green crust that looks like harmless fuzz, it's choking electrical flow, draining your battery and making cold starts harder every single day. Mechanics charge real money to clean it, but a few blasts of WD-40's contact cleaner melts the corrosion instantly. Wipe it clean, tighten the terminals, and your car fires up stronger. The difference is immediate. Hack number 8. Cloudy headlights don't just look bad, they cut your nighttime visibility almost in half. You don't need a fancy kit. If you need a quick temporary restore for a drive or an inspection, spray a light coat of WD-40 and wipe. The fog disappears, clarity returns, and your headlights look years newer. It's fast, it's easy, and in emergencies, it's a lifesaver. Hack number 7. Rust doesn't start on top of your car. It starts underneath, where salt, water, and humidity eat metal day after day without you ever seeing it. A short spray of WD-40 under the car acts like a water-repelling barrier. It's not a professional undercoat, but it buys you time. It slows rust, it protects brake lines, it can add years to the life of your frame. 5 minutes now or thousands later. Easy choice. Hack number 6. Stickers. Dealer decals, old bumper logos, the glue that refuses to die no matter how much you peel, rub, or swear at it. Instead of scratching your paint with razor blades, spray WD-40 over the sticker, let it sit, and peel. The adhesive melts away like warm butter. Even the leftover haze wipes clean with no marks. Your paint looks untouched like the sticker was never there. Hack number 5. If your engine is misfiring or idling ref, you might panic and think something big just broke. But sometimes the real problem is a spark plug buried under carbon buildup and moisture. A quick clean with WD-40 dissolves the carbon, dries the moisture, and lets the plug fire clean again. It's not a permanent fix, but it's enough to bring a weak cylinder back to life, and enough to save you from buying new plugs you didn't actually need. Hack number 4. Chrome is supposed to shine like jewelry, but road grime, water spots, and early rust make it look tired and old fast. A light mist of WD-40 on chrome trim, exhaust tips, or wheels breaks down the dirt instantly. Wipe it away and the shine snaps back like magic. And the best part? WD-40 leaves a thin protector that slows rust and keeps that shine longer. Hack number 3. Ever insert your car key into the lock and feel it grinding, sticking, or fighting you? That's corrosion inside the lock cylinder. People don't notice until the key snaps, and that's when the locksmith bill ruins your day. WD-40 instantly frees the mechanism, dissolves the rest, and makes the key glide like new. Hit the trunk lock, hood latch, and gas cap hinge too. They need love just as much. Hack number 2. If your power windows slow down, groan, or crawl upward like they're exhausted, that's friction chewing away at your regulator. And when the regulator dies, it's expensive. Spray a light coat of WD-40 down the tracks and rubber channels, roll the window up and down, and watch it glide smoother. The motor breathes easier, the strain drops, and the life of your window mechanism doubles. Hack number 1. Water in your engine bay is one of the most common reasons cars sputter, hesitate, or refuse to start after rain, storms, or car washes. WD-40 literally stands for Water Displacement Formula 40. Spray it around your distributor, plug wires, and connectors, and it pushes the moisture out instantly. Your ignition fires clean, your engine comes back to life, and you avoid the dreaded tow truck call. 12 hacks, 1 cheap can, and every single one of these tricks puts more control in your hands and less money in your mechanic's pocket. So tell me, which hack are you trying first? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more smart ways to protect your car and your wallet, hit that subscribe button and stick around, because the next video might save you even more.